Okay, we're going to simplify these algebraic fractions here. The key to this, as always with this kind of question, is to factorise as much as you possibly can. All of these expressions will factorise. Once we factorise them, we can cancel down common factors between top and bottom. So, looking at this one here first. This factorises as the difference of two squares. That's a square and that's a square. So it's x plus 4, x minus 4 is the factorisation for that one. So that one's relatively straightforward. Similarly, this one here isn't too bad. There's a common factor of x, so we just need one bracket, and we get x times by x minus 4. So two easy factorizations here. These ones, quadratic factorizations, we're going to use the box method. So in my box, I've got x squared and my plus 4. These two things here will combine to make the 5x, so my two numbers have to times to give 4 and add to give 5. The two numbers which do that are plus 4 and plus 1. So I've got plus 4x and plus 1x in there. Then looking at the factors, x squared is x times by x times by 4 is 4x, x times by 1 is 1x, 1 times 4 is 4, so that works. So my factorisation for this one is going to be x plus 4 from that and x plus 1. So okay, that wasn't too bad. Looking at my final factorisation, this one here is complicated a bit because of the 2x squared. Same process though, I'm going to use my box method. 2x squared is going to go there, the minus 3 is going to go there. These two things will combine to give me my minus x. The two numbers I'm after for here and here, times to give 2 times minus 3, minus 6, and add to give the minus 1, which are minus 3 and plus 2. So that gives me minus 3x in that box there and plus 2x in that box there. Looking for common factors. Well, looking down this row here, I can see there's a common factor of 2 and x. So I'm going to put 2x there. 2x times by x is 2x squared. 2x times by 1 is 2x. X times by minus 3 is minus 3x. This one here is the check. 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. So it works. So the factorisation for this one is 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. So putting all that into my fraction here, I get the following. X squared minus 16 factorised to x plus 4, x minus 4. This factorisation on the bottom, x times minus 4, times by this, 2x minus 3, times by x plus 1. And on the bottom, the factorisation for that one was x plus 4 times by x plus 1. So looking at common factors top and bottom, well, I can see x minus 4 cancels. That's an easy one to start off with. Also, I've got my x plus 1 cancelling here as well. We can also cancel across, as long as one's on the top, one's on the bottom. X plus 4 cancel out. So what I'm left with, on the top of my fraction, 1 times 1 is 1, times by 2x minus 3 is 2x minus 3, times by 1 is 2x minus 3. On the bottom, I'm left with x times 1 times 1 times 1, which is x, and there is my fraction simplified and cancelled down. It's worth noting that if this question had a divide there rather than a times, the same process, factorise everything, but invert the second fraction and change the divide for a multiply.